Well, in the previous clipping we spoke about why water is so essential for us and why do we actually need to conserve water. And now we are going to talk about the methods of conservation of water. How do we actually conserve water? The first method is we should construct multi-purpose projects. That means the constructions of dams and other such projects. Second is we must solve the water disputes as quickly as possible. If it prolongs, if it continues for a long time, then what happens? Then much water is actually wasted. So, we must solve the water dispute problems between the states as fast as possible. Next is it should be inter-basin transfer of water. The next step is raising the underground water table. Now, how do we actually raise the underground water table? By using less wells and the other hand pumps that we have. This is the way that we can raise the underground water table. Next is rainwater harvesting and watershed development. Next is avoiding pollution of water bodies. And who actually pollutes the water bodies? It's generally the industrial waste which pollutes the water bodies and the water becomes unfit for human consumption, and when it is unfit for human consumption, it is leading to scarcity. And therefore, to conserve that water, we need to see that pollution of water bodies is avoided as far as possible. Next is preventing wastage of water. Now, how do we prevent wastage of water? Well, how much ever is required, kindly take that much of water and use that much of water. If you want to drink half a glass of water, do not fill it to the brim. You might say it looks very funny that just that much of water, but that much of water every glass makes lot of difference. Now, this conservation that we've been talking of, why it has become so important and essential? For the simple reason that the scarcity of water is increasing at a very fast speed.